Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Price jumps from 14 to 16, and your job is spotting whether supply reacts elastically in this range. Watch this. We can nail it fast. Start by looking at how quantity supplied changes when price moves from 14 to 16, because elasticity compares the response in quantity to the change in price. That comparison drives everything. Next, compute price elasticity of supply using that quantity change over the price change, and then compare the result to 1. If it is greater than 1, supply is elastic. So the key conclusion is simple. In this price range, elasticity is above 1, which means supply is elastic, and that locks the answer. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Trap, watch signs, and avoid rush. Rule, trust given information and check steps before choosing elastic.